Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today we're going to make the blue jeans that I had made for my little Scarecrow, for my Scarecrow tutorial. So I am not a pattern maker, and all I did was I just took a piece of wax paper and I just measured around somewhat to see how big I needed to make his pants for him. So I took this then and I cut it out onto just a piece of cardboard. So what you need, or what I used, was I bought these blue jeans at a thrift store. So we're going to lay the pattern down with this side against the seam and trace it, and then you'll have 1/2 of the pant. And then we'll do that same thing again onto the seam. For the second leg. So then I pinned it in place so that I didn't lose the position of my pattern for cutting it out. So we'll just cut along the trace line. And this is on the inside of the material. The good side of your material is on the inside. So there we have the legs for our pants. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the sewing machine now, and we're going to sew straight down this part, the widest part of the pant, on both pieces, just from there to there for now, and I'll be back. So now that we have that sewn on both, just down to there, I'm going to turn one pant inside out, like so. And I'm going to put the good side of the pant inside the leg of the other pant. And I'm going to line them up so that the crotch area lines up here. So that will look like that. So now we're going to pin the crotch area together. Make sure it's lined up. And then you want to pin those two together. And then also down each leg. And we're going to sew then all the way around, from here all the way around the crotch area and up to the top. And I'll be back. So now that's all sewn together, we can just turn the pants right side out. And there they are. So there's his pants. Now, you can do whatever you like to do with the top. If you want to just fold it over you could do so and sew that as well. You could roll up the cuffs like I had done on mine, or you could give them a hem, whatever you like to do the finishing touches. But let's just try them on our little Scarecrow man and see how they fit. It's easier to do it when he doesn't have his feet on, but they're big enough that we can manage here, I think. I'll just fold them up at the bottom. Like so. And there they are. So there's his little pants. And so then I decided that I was putting a piece of twine around the pair that I had made when I made my so there he is. So that's your pants. And it's not at all a hard pattern. I'll include this little pattern. So I also thought I would add on how I made his little hat also. So I had a piece of burlap. It's a 12-inch square piece of burlap. I measured around the top of his little head. And what I needed was a piece that measured about 7 inches when I had it folded. So I folded my burlap like this up to a point, and across this way it measures about 7 inches. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off up here. I'm going to cut this off and across here. Then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew down the side this way, and then I'll be back. So here I have it sewn together and I turned it right side out. So now I'm going to cut off this piece that's hanging down like so, just to make that a little bit straighter across. There's probably a way easier way to make this hat, but it's for a scarecrow, so does it really matter? Anyway, so now let's try it on his head. See if it works. See if it fits. Perfect. Then you can turn it up and decorate it however you like. So there you go. That's just an idea of how you can make a little hat to put on your scarecrow. So I just wanted to include that in my little pant tutorial as well. So today we've got blue jeans and a little hat for our scarecrow. So if this is something that you'd like to try, I hope you do. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember to be kind. And thanks for watching. Bye now.